I am going to fake a fire alarm.
Good morning, class. It's behavior color card day. Arthur, stop it. Nothing is funny. Pay close attention. Anyways, I am about to pass out the color cards in a few moments. Before I start, let me explain. Okay, class. It's the fire alarm that went off. Get in line. Single file. Quickly.
I just overheard that it was false alarm.
It was false alarm. What rotten luck.
But Buster, that's good luck.
Unless if somebody pulled down the fire alarm.
Who would do a thing like that?
Hey guys! Did you see those mighty mountain weeps running around like crazy? That surely scared their pants off. Ha 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 ha.
Binky? You didn't pull down the fire alarm switch.